Hello guys, how are you today? So today I'll be explaining the Math Algebra Periodic Course Practice section 3.1. So I really apologize for posting late. I was sick today and I also went out, so I really apologize for posting late. Anyways, which of the following is a root of the equation? Now here you can do this in many different ways. Personally, my favorite way, which is a really easy way, is to do radical over here and radical over here. When you do that, you are gonna get 2x plus 1 is equal to what? Plus or minus 11. That means 2x plus 1 is equal to plus 11. 2x plus 1 is equal to minus 11. So move this to the other side, we get 2x is equal to 12. Move it to the other side, we get 2x is not equal to 12. 2x is equal to 10. You move this one to the other side, you get 2x is equal to minus 12. Okay, so then if we divide both sides by 2, we are gonna get x is equal to 5 and x is equal to minus 6. So the two correct answers are 5 and minus 6. Moving on to question number 2. This is a very important question. Okay, so when solving an equation like this, here is what I personally like to do. Personally, first of all, I would like to take this by itself and I would like to make x squared, the number next to x squared, I would like to make it 1. Now to make that 1, I have to divide from this specifically, I have to divide from it 3. So it's gonna be 3. And then inside we have x squared plus 8 over 3x. And then outside we have minus 3 is equal to 0. So now I will move minus 3 to the other side. It's gonna become 3x squared plus 8 over 3x is equal to plus 3. Now a very important step I will do. I will take this over here, 8 over 3, divided by 2. Okay, it's gonna be equal to 4 over 3. Now what do I do with the 4 over 3? I will square it. Okay, so I'm gonna get an answer of 16 over 9. Now what's gonna happen is, let me just clear the page. So let me write again. We had 3x squared plus 8 over 3x is equal to 3. We took this, we got 4 over 3 because we divided it by 2, then we squared it, okay? Now, what we are gonna do is we are gonna have 3x squared plus 8 over 3x, and then after we are gonna add what? The squared, which is 16 over 9, so plus 16 over 9 is equal to 3. Now, because it is on the other side of the equal, we are also gonna add, but we are not gonna add 16 over 9, we are gonna add 16 over 9 times 3. Why? Because this is outside of the parentheses. If it is inside of the parentheses, then it is automatically times 3. But since it is outside of the parentheses, we need to multiply it by 3 indirectly. So we will get an answer of 3. Then you will factorize this and you are gonna get an answer of plus 4 over 3. So 3 times x plus 4 over 3 squared is equal to what? Is equal to 3 plus then 16 over 9 times 3 is gonna give us an answer of 16 over 3. Now, looking at the answer options, this is a possible answer. Okay, then this one was also an option before we added the 16 over 9 to both sides. Now, an extra step they did was that they added the 3 and the 16 over 3 that we got in the other result. So 3 is 9 over 3. 9 over 3 plus 16 over 3 is equal to 25 over 3. So definitely this one over here is our answer. Moving on to question number 3. They need us to figure out which of the following is true about this equation. we are given x squared plus 10 is equal to 1. Since we have a whole number, we will move it to the other side. We are going to get x squared is equal to 1 minus 100. So x squared is equal to minus 99. Directly we see there is x squared and a negative number. We know there is no real roots. So that means our answer over here is that it has no real roots. Now, list the numbers of the correct options in ascending order with no commas or spaces. Which of the following steps can be used to solve this by completing the square? Completing the square, in other terms, is the long equation that we did before. Okay, so let us solve this one again. We are given 2x squared minus 7x plus 3. We're going to take this by itself, and we need to make the number next to x squared 1, so we're going to take 2 as common. So 2 times x squared minus 7 over 2 x, we close it, plus 3 is equal to 0. Move it to the other side. So 2x squared minus 7 over 2x is equal to minus 3. This over here is the first step. Let us try and locate it. It is step number 1. Now, the next step is that we are going to take the number, so it's 2x squared minus 7 over 2x is equal to minus 3. We are going to take this number in the middle and we are going to divide it by 2. So minus 7 over 2 divided by 2 will give us an answer of minus 7 over 4. Okay? Minus 7 over 4. We are now going to square it, and it's going to give us an answer of 49 over 16. So it's going to become 2x squared minus 7 over 2x. Now, inside the brackets, we add plus 49 over 16. Now, outside or after the equal, we have minus 3. So we are going to add the square, 49 over 16. But because it is outside of the bracket, we are going to multiply it by 2. Multiplying it by 2 will give us then an answer of 2 x squared minus 7 over 2x plus 49 over 16 is equal to minus 3 plus 49 over 8. So let us check which answer this is. It is answer number 4. So we are going to put number 4. Now after that, we need to solve it. So we got 2x squared minus 7 over 2x plus 49 over 16 is equal to minus 3 plus 49 over 8. We are then going to solve it and simplify it. So here we are going to factorize it. It's going to be 2 times x minus 7 over 4 squared is equal to, here if we are going to do it, it is going to become minus 9 over 9 plus 49 over, my bad, I did a mistake, sorry. It's going to become minus 24 over 8 plus 49 over 8, and it's going to give us an answer of 25 over 8. So we are given then the final answer, which is 2x minus 4 squared is equal to 25 over 8. So it is option number 5. Moving on to question number 5. Here, very simply, this is a really easy question. They need the solution. So we are going to take these two, or the ones that contain x, and we are going to make them equal to 0. So 3x minus 21 is equal to 0. X is equal to 7. 2x plus 16 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 8. So our answers are 7 and minus 8. Now, question number 6. Again, they need us to find the roots. So there's many ways to find the roots. A very simple way is, first of all, to divide everything by 2. So if you divided everything by 2, you are going to get x squared plus 6x minus 27. And then we apply the product sum method. What gives us a product of minus 27 and a sum of 6? We can try 9 times minus 3 and 9 minus 3. So x plus 9 times x minus 3. So x is equal to minus 9 and x is equal to 3. So the given roots are then 3 and minus 9. Okay, so now we move on to question number 7. This as well is a very simple question. So 9x squared plus 1 is equal to 1. Move this to the other side. 9x squared is equal to 0. Divide by 9. X squared is equal to 0. So definitely x is only equal to 0. This is the only real root. Moving on to question number 8. Please pay attention while reading. They need the smaller value. So x squared is equal to 144. It is either plus or minus 12. So to take the smaller value, it is going to be minus 12. Question number 9. Again, the same thing. They need the smaller value. So 4x squared plus 13 is equal to 49. Move this to the other side. So it's going to be 4x squared is equal to 36. Divide by 4. X squared is equal to 9. So x is equal to plus or minus 3. They need the smaller value, so we are then gonna take minus 3. Moving on to question number 10. This again is a very simple question. They need the root, so we are gonna do radical over here and radical over here. So it is gonna become 2x minus 15 is equal to plus or minus 3. So 2x minus 15 is equal to plus 3. Move it to the other side. 2x is equal to 18. Then x is equal to 9. 2x minus 15 is equal to minus 3. Move it to the other side. 2x is equal to 12. X is equal to 6. So we have x either equal to 6 or equal to 9. Moving on to question number 11. This is a very nice question. So we are going to apply the rule. So we are going to take this. And since there is already a 1 next to x squared, there is no need to divide. Okay, so it's going to be x squared minus 8x. Now inside of the parentheses, first of all, we are going to take this minus 8 divided by 2 will give us minus 4. We are going to square it and get an answer of 16. So it's going to be plus 16 on this side, okay, is equal to, so we are gonna move this to the other side and we are gonna get an answer of plus 33. And then on the other side, we are gonna again add 16, but we are gonna multiply it by the number over here, which is 1. So our result, we are gonna yield then x squared minus 8x plus 16 is equal to 49. So then, if we factorize this, we are then going to get x minus 4 squared is equal to 49. So over here, we have our answer, 49. Now, they need us to find the roots. Very simply, to find the root, you can apply literally anything. We can apply the product sum method. What gives us a product of minus 33 and a sum of minus 8? Very simply, minus 11 times 3 and minus 11 plus 3. That means x minus 11 times x plus 3. So x is equal to 11 and x is equal to minus 3. They already give us x is equal to minus 3. So that means our answer is x is equal to 11. Moving on to question number 12. Very simple. Just make this equal to 0 and this equal to 0. Okay, whenever they ask for the roots and they give you something like this part is equal to 0 and that part is equal to 0. So x minus 8 equals 0, x plus 14 equals 0, x equal 8, x equal minus 14. So we have 8 and minus 14. Moving on to question number 13. We are given this and they told us that the first root is x is equal to minus 12. So radical here, it's gonna be x plus 2 is equal to plus or minus 10. So x plus 2 is equal to plus 10, x plus 2 is equal to minus 10. Move it to the other side, x is equal to 8 or x is equal to minus 12. So our other root is then 8. Moving on to question number 14. This we have done it before, so I will just do it quickly. X squared minus 8x minus 33 equals 0. move this to the other side. So x squared minus 8x is equal to 33. Then divide by 2, then put the square. So we're going to get x squared minus 8x plus 16 is equal to 33 plus 16, but however it is times what? Times 1. Now what did they do over here? They did not move minus 33 to the other side. So if you did not move minus 33 to the other side, look what would happen. We would stay with x squared minus 8x minus 33 is equal to 0. You're going to divide by 2 and you are going to put the square. Now you are going to get x squared minus 8x, and inside we are going to add 16. Whereas since minus 33 is on the same side, we are not going to add the square. Instead, we are going to subtract the square multiplied by the number over here, which is 1. So we are going to get then x squared, if we are going to do it like them, it's going to be x minus 4 squared minus 33 minus 16, so is equal to 0. So over here, in this box, our answer would be 16. And then after solving it, we would get that x minus 4 squared is equal to 49. So this over here is 16 and this over here is 49. Now again, to find the roots, we are going to apply the product sum method. Product of minus 33 and sum of minus 8. Very simply, minus 11 times 3 and minus 11 plus 3. We are already given minus 3. So it's like this. X minus 3 times x minus 11. X plus 3 times x minus 11. So x is equal to minus 3 and x is equal to 11. Because you make this equal to 0 and this equal to 0. So if x is minus 3, then the other x is going to be 11. Moving on to question number 15. Again, it's another one. So we are going to have x squared minus 6x plus 40. We are going to take these. Since there is already a 1 next to the x squared, we are not going to divide by anything. So it's going to become x squared minus 6x plus 40 equals to 0. Okay, here they are doing it if they did not move it to the other side, which is the canonical form. So we're going to divide this by 2. We're going to get minus 3. Minus 3 squared is 9. So inside we are going to add 9. We're going to forget about this. And outside we are going to not add, because they are on the same side. We are going to subtract 9 multiplied by the number over here, which is 1. So our answer is then going to be x squared minus 6x plus 9, okay, plus 40 minus 9. So it's going to be, in other terms, x minus 3 squared plus 40 minus 9. So over here it's 3 and 9. And then finally it's going to be x minus 3 squared plus 31. So here's 3 and here's 31. So 3, 9, 3, and 31. So let us submit, and hopefully we do not have any mistakes. Thank God we don't have any mistakes. Thank you guys for watching. I apologize for posting late, and have a wonderful day.